Good afternoon and namaste everyone. Myself Dipti Adhikari, student of grade 9 studying in the Screen Society Public School. Today I am here to present my project presentation of caste rule under trigonometric ratios. So without any delay, let's get started. The first rule is basically regarding the values of trigonometric angles. To understand this efficiently, we have created this caste rule chart which consists of 4 quadrants. The first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. To remember this caste rule chart, we have created a mnemonics ASTC, which stands for after school to college. In this chart, the first quadrant is represented as A, the second quadrant as S, the third quadrant as T and the fourth quadrant as C. In the first quadrant A, all trigonometric ratios are positive. In the second quadrant as sine and its reciprocal cosec are positive and other remaining trigonometric ratios are negative. In the third quadrant T, tan and its reciprocal cot are positive, whereas the other remaining trigonometric ratios are negative. In the fourth quadrant C, cos and its reciprocal sec are positive and the other remaining trigonometric ratios are negative. Now moving forward to the second rule, it says that the trigonometric ratios will change if an angle is odd multiple of 90 degrees and trigonometric ratio will not change if an angle is even multiple of 90 degrees. This rule basically means that if the given angle is even multiple of 90 degree, which basically refers to the angle being 360 degree or 180 degree, then the trigonometric ratio won't be changed. But whereas if the given angle is odd multiple of 90 degree, which basically refers to the angle being 90 degree or 270 degree, then the trigonometric ratios will change. It will change, but into what? Sine will change into cos, cos will change into sine, tan will change into cot, cot will change into tan, cosec will change into sec and sec will change into cosec. But we should not forget another one thing, that even after we know that the trigonometric ratios will change, we need to remember the values of trigonometric angles according to this caste rule or the first rule. Now the third rule is that trigonometric ratios of negative theta or negative angle. If the given angle is negative, then the trigonometric ratios will be negative except for cos and sec, which will be positive because the minus theta lies in the fourth quadrant, and in the fourth quadrant cos and sec are positive. So even if the angle is negative, cos and sec will always be positive. So in conclusion, in the first quadrant of the caste rule chart, all trigonometric ratios are positive. In the second quadrant, sine and cosec are positive. In the third quadrant, tan and cot are positive. And in the fourth quadrant, cos and sec are positive. And this caste rule chart is used to find out the values of trigonometric angles. The second rule says that if the given angle is even multiple of 90 degree, then the trigonometric ratios will not change. And if the given angle is odd multiple of 90 degree, then the trigonometric ratios will change. Sine to cos, cos to sine, tan to cot, cot to tan, cosec to sec and sec to cosec. And if the given angle is already negative or in negative theta, then all the trigonometric ratios will be negative except cos and sec, because minus theta lies in the fourth quadrant and in the fourth quadrant cos and sec are positive. Thank you.